Welcome! Today we're showcasing the rear audio control module, which will help provide a great experience for second row passengers. The second row features an available 5.8-inch digital LCD touchscreen, where rear seat passengers can control climate and audio settings, as well as seat heat, seat ventilation, and available seat massage functions to help make the ride more enjoyable. For comfort, rear seat passengers can adjust their seating position through the manual seat controls and control their own climate settings through the rear touchscreen on the center console. Press the thermometer icon on the touchscreen to access the climate control features. Press and release the power button to switch the rear climate control on or off. Press the buttons on the touchscreen to adjust the volume of air circulated. Press the plus or minus buttons on the touchscreen to set the temperature. Press the airflow button on the touchscreen to direct the airflow to the rear console air vents or toward the footwell air vents. There's also a rear auto mode. To turn on auto mode, press the auto button on the touchscreen to switch the automatic operation on, then set the temperature. Second row outboard seats now come with standard heat, ventilation, and available active motion massage. These functions also are controlled through the second row touchscreen. To turn the second row heated seats on or off, the vehicle must be running before using this feature. Press the seat symbol to cycle through the various heat settings and to turn it off. More indicator lights indicate warmer settings. To turn the ventilated seats on or off, the vehicle must be running before using this feature. Press the seat symbol on the rear touchscreen to cycle through the various ventilation settings and to turn it off. More indicator lights indicate higher fan speed. To operate the rear seat massage function with active motion, press the massage icon to control both the lumbar and massage settings. You can select either the left or right seat to adjust the settings. There are 5 available massage settings: lower rolling, upper rolling, circular cushion, full recovery, and relax recovery. Each setting has 3 intensity levels. The system automatically turns off after 20 minutes of use. Here's how to set your seats. Press left or right seat, press massage, press desired massage setting, select intensity level. You can turn off the massage function by pressing the massage button again. And if you have the child lock on, the second row massage feature will be locked. The second row passenger audio controls are also located on the touchscreen in the rear center console. To control the audio, press the musical note button on the screen to access the audio control features. Press the power icon button on the screen to turn the controls on or off. Press the source button to open the media source menu. You can press the source button multiple times to change the audio source or scroll through media sources. Press the play pause button to play or pause the audio playback. Note that not all sources can be paused. Press the plus or minus button to adjust the volume level up or down for the rear passenger audio. Press the shuffle button to switch shuffle mode on or off. Press the repeat button to switch repeat mode on or off. In radio mode, select a frequency band. Then press and release either the forward or reverse buttons to search for the next station it finds in that direction. Thank you for watching and enjoy the ride.